USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram and go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then check out the brokers in the prop firm. Go and sign up to these brokers, start a new account to trade with my signals in that account. So separate account for my signals, okay? So check out these links, subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are going up this week. So last week we were kind of hammer, so more buyers. So this was a clear idea. If you had seen my Sunday's video, go and watch my last Sunday's video like 4 days ago on this JPY. Okay, I talked about this candle that long. We have this long wick, which means that the coming week will be bull. Okay, so that's exactly what has happened. I predicted on Sunday that we will have longs this week, so that's why they have a blue candle now in the fourth day of the trading this week on Thursday. Okay, it's coming back to daily chart. Daily we went up, so yeah, daily we are taking a pullback. Okay, so this is the trend. So if you use your fibs, that's your trend, that's your uptrend. Okay, so we are taking a pullback. What's gonna happen is, I think we'll take a pullback till the EMA. Rejection will come from the EMA, then blue candle, and then we'll go up. So that's in daily. So if we are taking a pullback in daily, so we're still not going for longs in daily, but we should go for 4 hour for our entry. So if you go and watch my last USDJPY video, which I uploaded on maybe Tuesday, so I told you this was the trend. Wait for the EMA, and I think we will come down further. Right now we are at 146.15. I'm expecting another 40 pips to go down. Okay, I'm expecting it to go to 145.70. So where is my 70? 145.70. That's here. Okay, so I'm expecting the pullback until this candle. So more pullback, more red candles, and then maybe even up to EMA. You never know. Okay, so maybe price will come down till the EMA, reject the EMA with a long wick. Then we have the blue candle, and then we'll continue going up. Okay, so if you are a swing trader, I would say look for longs. Okay, but if you are a scalper, 5 minutes, then look for shorts. Okay, but we have potential to go down for another 40 pips. Okay, so we might go down 40 pips, then we will reject the EMA, then we'll have the blue confirmation candle. Until unless you don't see an engulfing blue candle, don't enter long. Okay, so let the red candles take pullback, then you will have to wait for the blue engulfing candle, which will eat the previous red candle. That is going to be your entry. So as a swing trader, I don't see any entry for next 8 hours maybe. So you have to keep an eye on the setup, or maybe wait for my next video. So if you like for DC, subscribe, like, share the video. And you know what? I do want to record the videos on the other pairs as well, but there's not much time. And plus, people don't really appreciate free work, okay? So I'm recording these videos. Some people like it, and some people just think that he's just another guy making YouTube videos. I'm not your another guy online, okay? I'm not the person just like who comes and make a video and walks away, because you know what? I can do the same thing which everybody else does. Everybody else on YouTube doing these analysis and says, okay, trend is up, look for longs after each pullback. Trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback. That's what others are doing. If you want, I can do the same. But what I am doing, not everybody else is doing for free. Okay, I'm giving you this thousands and thousands of dollars content for free. Nobody tells you when to enter, when to exit. Nobody tells you about, okay, wait for another 40 pips. Have you seen anybody on the internet making a YouTube video for free about these analysis and say, you know what, I think it's gonna go down to another 30-40 pips? Have you heard anybody telling you that, specifically talking about 30-40 pips? You know what they will say? It's it's taking a pullback, enter long after the pullback. But they don't tell you, or they don't know exactly pullback when will it be over. Okay, so appreciate first of all what the free word is, because free doesn't mean it's worthless. Okay, let me show you the tagline of my channel. It says TubeCore, creating the need, not the greed. Okay, so technically you have the need to watch these videos from me, because what I am doing here for free, nobody's doing it for free. It's cost thousands and thousands of dollars, and not everybody has the knowledge as well. So your job is to subscribe, like, share, join the brokers through my link, join Telegram. This is your job. I don't owe you anything. Do you understand? So it's your job to contribute in any way possible you can, because you are making money from my videos, real money. Okay, if you're trading, then you are making money with my videos. Understand? So you have to contribute. I'm not charging you so far in any form. Okay, but if I stop making these videos, then if you had been following me, then you will not know what to do. Or maybe you come here for confirmation. Maybe you are good in trading as well, but you come here for confirmation that if TubeCore says this is going to happen, then you trust TubeCore and say, yes, it happened. So appreciate the work and then contribute in any form you can, like join the brokers or subscribe or share. And then I'll see you in another, because see, I need to have the motivation to make videos on these pairs as well. But I see people are not thankful enough. Some people are, but not everybody. Okay. So until you don't show your, enthusiasm that you want me to do something, probably I'll stop doing this for free. Okay. So, anyways, take care, have a good day, and have a good trading week, or maybe coming 2 days. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and like, and join the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video.